jacket already. So Nifty, I'm in your you only have 6 videos. Create more longer videos, Nifty. So that you will be able to what's that? Continue. So okay, please connect to the pin. Please connect to the pin there. Raymond Astillero, you only have 5 subscribers. Plus 1 for you now. So, okay, Raymond, you are too young. But you are taking up vape. I'm sorry, you are destroying yourself. Is this you? Raymond, I think this is you. Please refrain. You're too young and you're using up vape. Vaping doesn't make you handsome. It actually damages your reality. Keep up, Raymond. Stay positive in your life. You're still too young, very young to start destroying it. So do not destroy what is Hello sa inyo lahat, sana naalala niyo pa ako kahit maaga ako nawala. Julie Vega, nakakatakot naman to. Ah, okay, Julie Vega, you have your standard moderator for your channel. Raymond, I'm standing as your mama here. Please, you are too young. Do not destroy. Do not destroy your life. Do not destroy your body. Hope is still around. Just enjoy everything. There is always hope and a better future. Julie Vega, going to your channel. Uy. Ano man, angel man ito. Kaninong angel to si Julie Vega? Parang kinabahan yata ako bigla. So, I'm muting up my microphone for a little while and I just need to go out. Ay, sa'yo yan, Ibong? Sa'yo yan si Julie Vega, Ibong? Labas muna ako. I just need to go out. Ha? Ayan tuloy. Nakita yung aking Kala ko sa'yo. Okay. Lumambot na yung aking yung aking cellphone stand. Ah,